Hello, how was your summer? Mine was okay, a little bit short, but I definitely need more time off. I will probably take a vacation later this year, maybe in November, but I had to come back because like always, I'm a little bit behind, so here I am. Today we're going to talk about the Kandao 8K 360 degrees camera, my good old 8K Qoocam 360 degrees camera. Whoa, what a long name. You will struggle to find this here in Europe, but if you get it, you might get it for cheap. And I believe that still in 2023 and maybe 2024, this can still be considered as your go-to 360 degrees camera. And people still ask me how I create my behind the scenes videos. I'm not gonna do what I did in my initial review of this camera, so sit down and here is a brief summary of the main steps. Obviously, I have something to film. I need a behind the scenes video of a film I'm creating or a BTS of a photography photo shoot.
Like a fire in the building, we gon' tear it up as soon as we get inside. It's a jam.
Every time I feel there's something interesting happening, I take it out, put it on a stick or tripod and press record.
Everybody know just who I am. Feeling like my birthday. I've been dancing all night with a bottle in my hand and a smile on my face. And we got a few more on the way. Got a few more on the way.
It's a 360 degrees camera, so everything around is captured in 8K. I do all the stitching and the framing at home with the software. And then I import everything into DaVinci Resolve. Inside DaVinci Resolve, I use Karta VR for all the camera movements. The majority of my behind the scenes videos are captured with this camera. I choose the music before editing these videos. I used Artlist before, and now I use audio. And when possible, I do not cut but speed up certain parts of my scenes to emphasize specific moments. This allows you to see and feel a little bit better how things are handled during my photo shoots. It is really the convenience of just pressing a button to record. I do sometimes miss my exposure, that's when I go manual. And there are times when the quality of the footage isn't great in really dark locations or challenging light situations. But generally, I am pretty satisfied, even after all this time. So, why change it if it still works? It still works for me, it's still relevant for me for my content on social media and here on YouTube. And you know, I only use a small portion of that 8K image, so I cannot consider a camera that has less resolution. I often use it when I'm scouting for locations or when I have to prepare for a shoot. After a visit, I can analyze the footage I got in 360 and see if I missed anything interesting or rethink my lighting setup. The Qoocam 3 was announced a few months back, not really a replacement for the Qoocam 8K as it shoots only in 5.7K. But it should perform better in low light though, with its f1.6 aperture and its big sensor. I heard that there is an 8K version of that camera coming by the end of the year. I'm not sure, but if they do, I hope that they improve the low light performance, the dynamic range, and above all, if they manage to have a software that can be integrated inside DaVinci Resolve, then I will seriously consider changing my camera. Kandao needs to reduce the number of steps necessary to actually use the footage from these cameras. They really do. But for now, I'm still good with this. I'm still enjoying it. I'm still enjoying the footage that I get out of it. And if you are still not used to it, you better be. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I guess that I will catch you in the next one. So until then, take care, and please, have a good one.